Want to get paid every single day in the USA? These three apps can literally put money in your pocket daily. No scams, no waiting weeks. These are real apps people are used in USA. Before we start, let be clear. This is not some get rich quick. These are real apps used by the USA daily. Some require effort, some are easier. But if you use them smartly, you can build a smart daily income. Also, stay till in the end because I will share a pro tip with you that can literally double your earning. So let's start. First is DoorDash, one of the most popular apps in the US. You can earn money by delivering food and the best part, you can cash out your earnings the same day using fast pay. Let's start with DoorDash, one of the most popular earning apps in the United States. With DoorDash, you earn money by delivering food from restaurants to customers. Here is how it works. You sign up as a dasher. You receive delivery requests. You pick up food and deliver it. Simple, right? Now here the best part. DoorDash offers something called fast pay. That means you don't have to wait for weekly payments. You can cash out your earnings the same day. Many delivers in the US make anywhere between 50 to 150 per day, especially during peak hours like lunch and dinner. If you work during weekends or busy hours, you can earn significantly more. Second is Swigbucks. This app pays you for simple tasks like surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. It's beginner friendly and pays through PayPal. Next is Swigbucks, perfect for beginners who don't want to do physical work. With Swigbucks, you earn money by doing simple online tasks like answering surveys, watching videos, shopping online, playing games. Each task gives you points called SB, which you can later convert into real cash or gift cards. Now let's be honest, this will not make you rich overnight, but it's one of the easiest ways to earn online in the US. Especially if you are just getting started. Most users make around $5 to $20 per day, but if you stay consistent, it adds up over time. Third is Instacart. You get paid for delivering groceries and you can receive your money the same day. Many users make decent daily income from it. Now let's talk about Instacart, another powerful app for daily earnings. With Instacart, you get paid to shop and deliver groceries. Here's how it works. You receive an order, you go to the store, but the items and deliver them to the customer. It's similar to DoorDash, but for groceries. And yes, you can also get paid the same day. Many Instacart shoppers earn between $70 to $200 per day, depending on location and effort. Choose areas with high demand and accept orders with better tips. Which app do you like most? Have you tried any of this? This is the part people almost miss. If you really want to maximize your income, don't rely just one app. Use DoorDash, Instacash together and use Swigbucks in your freedom time. This way, you can create your multiplication source and earn money almost your entire day. Choose 2-3 apps in a day to maximize your earning. Follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for another useful content. If you found to useful, always subscribe my YouTube channel because I post the real way to make money online and official. And remember, don't just rely one app. You can use 2-3 apps in a day. So tata and subscribe my YouTube channel.